Hello, New School Baby here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of Zone Longness L5. I just got this one because I got a movie, so yeah. I did see one of the other sets for the 2-pack, but I just got this one because it was the only one, and also had to get a movie. Just released yesterday. I'm not gonna say because I'm a Disney fan, so shush. But yeah, here's the parts. Less spin, rotation, attack. Okay, the disc is D76 and driver is TH04. So yeah. I know JoJo and other YouTubers did a video on this one already, but I'm late because I have been working, and also, yeah. Here's let me show you the code. Even though no metal, but it's pretty cool. Here's the code. Drake. That's actually going to be fun to use. And the driver. So let's do a little test battle, and I'll be doing a full test battle soon. Because it's going to be, boom, Drain versus this, and also new stadium. I told you guys I was going to get it, but it took me a while to get it because when I can't really have this on my bike, so yeah. I'm going to do a best out of 3 in this one, so yeah. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 1-0. I mean, yeah, 2-0. No, I'm gonna just, yeah, 2-0. Okay. 4-0. Jeez, Fafnir sucks. Okay, 5-0. Oh god, this thing is OP. You'll be seeing more videos on these guys soon, like in tournaments and stuff like that. There's some big tournament plans, so yeah. Definitely for Hasbro and Takeo Tomy, and also Metal Saga. And I just did a Burst Saga. Plastic Gen Saga, so yeah. There's gonna be standard tournaments and limited format, and I dropped that. So stay tuned for those. Okay, oh god. So I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.